A blissful day to all. I am Mary Jean Salvo from Philippines, an active participant of MMM Global Community here in Kuwait. I provide help last November 10, 2015 with the amount of 1,300 pesos. Just in a days, my withdrawal amount became 1,480 pesos. So I tried to request to get help last November 22, 2015 for the amount of 1,400 pesos, and my request was confirmed in an hour, and I received the full amount of 1,400 pesos in my blockchain wallet. For this, I trusted more the MMM community now. It is my heartfelt gratitude for being a member of this MMM community. First, I would like to thank Miss Annie Dimakuta for inviting me this MMM community, and to Sir Jefferson Mahinay for guiding us. Special thanks to our founder, Sir Sergi Marbury, for creating this amazing opportunity. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. The last but not the least, thank you for our God who grant us our heart desire. Hand in hand, we can change the world. Godspeed and long live MMM.